as you saw, my husband and I put together the Blackstone Griddle, and we worked together as a team, and we got that thing done. And here is the final product. Cool. So we still have to cure it, and we're gonna follow directions. So I just want to point out to you that we read the manual and we were able to piece by piece put it together. It was heavy getting out of that car, but anyway, we were able to do it, and it was very exciting. So I cannot wait to cook our first meal on that. Oh, and look,